Tama. Okay. 30 anyos na si PJ. May asawa na ba si PJ? Wow, pang asawa pa ng kasama mo ba siya ngayon? Ayaw ka kasi panoorin.
Hindi po supportive.
Ano lang yun? Siyempre kakabahan siya pag lumalabang ka. Gano'n naman ang mga babae.
Ayaw niyang may stress.
Diba? Magiging asawa pala, aawayin mo na. Ikaw talaga, oh. Okay. Ano ang aawitin ni PJ?
Yung piyesa ko for class, then yung We Are the World ko.
Kasi sumali ka sa anong paghahanda ang ginawa mo ngayon?
Madami.
Matagal mo nang ginagawa ang
Oo tayo. Dito kami.
It's good to try. Malay mo na andyan din yung kasama sa hidden talent mo.
Palakpakan natin ang ating ika-4 na kalahok para sa awiting We Are the World.
Kaya pwede ka magtagin.
The greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere soon make a change.
We are all about cause we become believe when the truth is all of us so we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the one to make a better day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own life. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. Well, stand in your heart, so they know that someone cares.
The life where the stronger and free.
When the sky shone out, we're turning stone to bread. So it all must steal a helping hand. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a better day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own life. That is true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. When you're proud, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. Let us realize all it takes when only God. Where we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the children. just you and me.